Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're going to be talking about the GVC or General Visual Line of Sight Certificate and why I'm taking the course. So as regular viewers will know, I have previously studied for and passed my A2 CFC, giving me the ability to fly my existing legacy drones and soon to be released class certified drones in congested areas. Now wait Sean, what is an A2 CFC GVC? What are you talking about? Well, since the start of 2021, the UK drone rules have changed. They've changed a lot. There's a link in the description to our UK drone laws playlist, which will explain in detail, but highlights include the awesome rules surrounding the sub 250 gram drones, which means you can fly your DJI Mini 2 or similar drone without any required separation from people and even fly over them. Just before we continue, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video, Drone Masterclass, who have also kindly provided the GVC course to me. Through a series of videos and live streams, I'll be taking you on the journey with me. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. You can find details on all their courses via the link in the description. The new rules also meant the requirement for permission to fly your drone for commercial reasons was dropped by the CAA. Instead, you can gain qualifications to fly under increased risk scenarios. There is still nothing stopping you from flying as all hobbyists did before, or the A2 CFC. So flight types or drone types which are not possible within the A2 CFC, you can take the GVC, which is a remote pilot competency certificate which provides a single qualification that is suitable for visual line of sight operations within the specific category. The course itself is made up of several parts, both in-person and online theory training. Over the next few weeks, I will be bringing you with me on my journey to give you a true and open representation of the challenges I face. I've not held the previous PFCO, and the A2 CFC was my first flight certificate, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. This means you'll get exclusive access to the course run by Drone Masterclass with detailed information on the theory training and how I survived the multiple choice exam, the practical flight assessment, and in something of a first, a detailed look at not only how to form an operations manual, but also how to make it work for your drone operations in a practical way. I would like this series of videos to be interactive and as helpful as possible, so some of the videos will be live streamed, including potentially the flight assessment itself. Eek. In addition, please let me know in the comments below what questions you have about the GVC course, and I'll certainly ensure we cover them. This again might even form a Q&A video all of its own with an instructor from Drone Masterclass, if you think that would be helpful. So keep an eye out for the GVC series coming soon to Geeksvana. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.